We have here a 2018 C7 Z06 equipped with our SP850 package. 850 designates crank horsepower, so we're picking up right around 200 at the flywheel. Really nice package. This is about as far as we like taking the stock blower with stock fueling on 93. We are in the works on a package with some aftermarket DI stuff to go full flex fuel, so we can push the stock blower a little bit farther. But the 850s just a really good all-around street setup. It's a huge bump in power over stock. It's a lot of fun. It comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile limited warranty. We cover anything and everything that we touch while we're doing these modifications. Really good all-around street package. So our SP850 package is kind of at the top of the food chain as of now for our stock blower packages on the LT4s. They start out with our SP720 package, then move to our SP750, SP800, and then the SP850, which you have here. The SP720 starts out with a ATI dampener with a larger, lower supercharger ring. We do a Haltech cold air intake. We do AMP's billet thermostat housing with an LS style thermostat. Reason we do that is the aftermarket LT thermostats seem to be hit or miss on reliability and how long they stay functioning. We also toss in a set of Brisk Racing spark plugs with a high performance plug wire and a DEI titanium boot, a Gates HD green belt to help with belt slip, and we do an oil change and a custom dyno tube. And that kind of wraps up our 720 package, which is about a 70 horsepower bump in power over stock at the flywheel. After that, we move to our SP750, which includes a set of American Racing long tube headers and high flow X pipe. Lets the engine breathe a little bit more. We unlock a little bit more horsepower there, and that picks up right around 100 horsepower at the flywheel. After that, we move up to our SP800 package, which is where we actually get into the engine, replace the camshaft with a high performance cam from Brian Tooley Racing. Once again, helps get the air in and out a little bit better. The big ticket with that, though, is it comes with an increased fuel pump lobe on the back of the cam, which lets us help keep up with that DI fueling associated with these LT engines. During the cam swap, we go with ARP head studs as opposed to factory bolts. Once again, just helps keep the engine together at that point. We also do an upgraded heat exchanger and an upgraded heat exchanger tank. Both of those are from Cordes Performance. They make some awesome parts. We're super happy with a lot of their products they make, and we'll probably continue to use those in the future. Lastly, we come to our SP850 package, which is what you have here. We remove the supercharger, send it out to Pong Performance for their port job and a 2-3 lower upper pulley to help increase and boost some more along with that port work. We toss on a K-Tech 103 millimeter throttle body. We actually ditch the Haltech for our 850 package and move to Cordes Performance's 5-inch race inlet. That just helps, along with the 103, to remove restriction from air getting into the supercharger, which is very, very crucial on almost any PD blower car. We also send the cylinder heads off to get CNC ported. When we get them back, we go through them here by hand. We kind of blend the runner together. We do a bowl into seat blending and a competition valve job here in-house. And the last part of our SP850 package is the DSX tuning auxiliary fuel kit. This helps keep up with the low side fuel. Now that we're demanding more boost out of the engine, we have that overdriven cam lobe from the previous package. It really starts to tank the low side once we get into our SP850. Our SP800 is kind of the cusp of the factory low side on these LT4 vehicles. So when we add that keeps up with the low side fuel, and it's an altogether very happy package.